Benjamin Moore has recently partnered with YouthBuild to launch the More Pride at Work program, and our first year has been a huge success. We have hosted 50 YouthBuild students in our operating centers across the United States, including Milford, Massachusetts, Pomona, California, Johnstown, New York, Clifton, New Jersey, Newark, New Jersey, and Landover, Maryland.
Really what this does is widen the students' scope. It widens what they see as opportunity. And that's something that our students really struggle with. Most of them come in not having any idea what they want to do and feeling really overwhelmed. So any opportunity that we can put in front of them is a good thing.
Programs such as YouthBuild, companies such as Benjamin Moore, they give the incentive that you can do this. You can grow from certain things. You don't have to be one thing your whole entire life.
YouthBuild's purpose really is to connect the untapped potential of young people who are in our community to job training, we connect them to academic enrichment, and social and emotional support.
These kids are coming from the inner city and not seeing what the real world can offer. So here, just giving them some opportunity, some hope.
It was nice to get some kids in here to show them that there's different opportunities for jobs out there.
Benjamin Moore helped me take care of my family. It's a good paying job, very, very friendly environment.
It reminds me of YouthBuild, how everybody's like close. It seems like everybody genuinely likes to work here, so I really like that a lot.
I've always used Benjamin Moore paint, but actually learning the process of how it's made and the quality and the steps that it takes to make that.
Seeing how everything is done here, it's very inspiring.
They were asking good questions, and there's something that they can do. They actually could work, have a career, not a job. The opportunities, they're there for anybody.
I would actually love to work at Benjamin Moore. Many of the managers talk about how wonderful their job is, the floor managers, and I would love to do something like that one day.
There's just a number of ways that we could benefit from this relationship.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity, coming into your facility and seeing what you do on a day-to-day basis.
We care about the communities that we're in and we service. It provides me an insight into the workforce that is available out there.
For Benjamin Moore to partner up with YouthBuild, it actually shows me that they're trying to look towards the future.
It's just another reason to be proud to work for such a great company.
We look forward to continuing this program and hosting additional YouthBuild groups next year. Stay tuned for more.